The story of the night of Ascension. That night was no ordinary night. It was the night of Miraj, the night of Ascension, when the vastness of the universe folded in, time stood still, and the throne of the Almighty drew near. On that sacred night, a miraculous scene unfolded in Masjid Al-Aqsa. From the blessed resting places across the earth, the noble prophets rose. One by one, they made their way toward Al-Aqsa. No barriers stood in their path. No veil could prevent their journey. All gathered for one divine purpose, to offer prayer behind the beloved of Allah. From Prophet Adam, A.S., to Prophet Isa, A.S., they stood in rows. And at the front, leading them all, was the leader of the prophets, our holy Prophet Muhammad. This was the night of Miraj. The night when even the heavens honored the one who ascended beyond them. Now, a devoted lover of the Prophet speaks from the heart, greater than, if, on the night of Miraj, all the prophets, all the messengers, left their blessed graves and gathered in Masjid Al-Aqsa, just to pray behind our Prophet. If they, the chosen ones, honored him as their Imam, then how can anyone say that my Prophet, Imam of the prophets, would not respond when one of his followers, one of his lovers, calls upon him? I say this with full conviction, greater than when a true lover calls out from the heart, Ya Rasool Allah. Then surely, the beloved comes to their aid, with the echo of divine support and mercy.